Greetings everyone, David J. Coon with Qigong Awareness. Next year, 2025, coming up very close. It's December I'm filming this. And next year, we're going to be doing 4 free events. The first 3 events are all going to be online. They're 2-hour programs. And we're going to do a 4th event that's actually going to be in Wilmington, North Carolina, right where I'm actually filming right now. It's going to be a live event, and it's actually going to be free to the public. It's being sponsored, all of them, being sponsored by the Love, Peace, Amen Foundation. So these are not CEU courses, can't get CEUs for these courses, but they are 100% free to the public. Come practice some Qigong with me online or at the end of the year in person. And we're going to learn some healing techniques. We're going to learn some techniques to do some medical Qigong, maybe bring some healing to some other people, heal some specific areas of your body, such as some ancient Chinese secrets, if you will, bringing healing to the liver, for example, to help your eyes, things like that. And then also going into a guided meditation. So check that out on the free events page. There'll be a link with this video here. Go sign up and come join me next year. I look forward to seeing you then.